Hey family, welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking down this second tree and putting everything just back to normal. I'm over it. As you guys already know, I took the first tree down on Christmas Eve, and this is the day after Christmas actually. So I waited one extra day this year. So we're going to be taking down the tree, just putting this space, the breakfast area, and the kitchen back to normal in this video. The next one, we will probably tackle the front part of the house once those decorations are down and just put everything back.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you to, I just need you to. Stay a bit longer, I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down.
So I made a couple quick changes. I done brought some color back, girls. It's all the way back spring. So I put this little situation here in this corner, which was otherwise just kind of empty. So I brought a little bit of color over there. Everything else stayed the same. I added this pedestal that I already had with the soap and lotion dispenser, and took the other little, it used to sit here, and so I just moved it over here like this. And this is from Target Dollar Spot. The hand and soap dish, and it's glass. Ain't it? Yeah, that's glass. Glass to make sure. It was $5 for the both of them, and they already had the hands and dishes on here. So I set this here on the pedestal. What else did I change? I took the greenery out. I forgot that I put the greenery in the wine room in the cement bowl. So I just took this one out and left it plain. And I probably will leave it plain like that. And over here, I added some coffee table books. And I moved the big crystal over here. And these are the coffee table books. I think this book is so pretty with the big horse on it. And then, you remember, this was white, painted it gold. I'm going to get some either pampas grass or some other kind of spray to put in here. I'm not sure just what I want to put in it yet. And I added these coffee table books here that were in the bedroom. They needed to be out and seen because this is so beautiful, okay? So I just put this here. And over here, I added some color back as well. The vase I already had from Pure One from forever ago. Those faux flowers. And then another pop of pink over there just to bring some color over here. And then the big wooden links I just put here. Kept those coffee table books there. And then this set up here. So that's pretty much how this area is looking, and everything else pretty much is the same. Everything else is the same. And now I can see this beautiful, one of my most favorite pieces of the house right here. Again, without the big old tree. It's late in the evening now. Let me put Remy's bed back out. Put his bed back right there where he likes to lay. So this is it. Yeah, I'm gonna add some sprays here. I don't think I had swapped this out. It's still the same, but all the extra alcohol I put back inside for whenever we entertain again, and just this stuff we use, like we reach for on the regular. And yeah, so Ron and the boys have taken all the decorations up to the attic, but the tree is gonna go out in the garage, and we still have that tree up and the decorations in this room and this room. And when J-Ron takes that down, then we'll just that'll be the last area, because that's like the last thing. I cannot wait to get rid of this little baby couch and get my sectional in here. I'm ready, y'all, for the winter months, spring, summer, to just, you know, continue to rotate on around. We have been so busy cleaning up and wiping down. Like, I didn't even show you all that I've done today, but just wiping everything down and just make it. We have the windows open because it's such a beautiful day today. Ron and I are about to take a ride, go see my mom, and just enjoy this beautiful day today. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the takedown of the main part of the house. The main part is done. We just have literally just the wine room, Christmas tree. That's it. The tree in the wine room and the what's it called? Staircase. And then Christmas is no longer until next year. Maybe not even next year, because I don't know. I'm hoping to be out of town, literally, next Christmas. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to be doing any decorating, like, other than what I shared with you in the last clip, which was I do want to put something in this vase in here, but everything else is just back how it was, and that's probably how it's going to stay, except this room. We'll just get the new sofa in here so I can cozy up. Lighting, stop playing with me. So I can cozy up for, you know, the winter, get rid of this desk, smaller desk, and then that's it. Just, I'm done. I'm done. We'll just go back to our regular scheduled program of chit chats and just all of that kind of stuff moving forward. Because well, pause. Ron is ready to paint the cabinetry upstairs in the bathroom the same color as the island. Oh, and I will. And I'll show you that when I get to it. But I want to swap out the picture that I DIY'd in the wine room. Just recently, DIY'd it. I'm going to take that picture and put that in the upstairs bathroom. What is this lash doing? Something weird. I'm going to put that picture that's in the wine room over the couch upstairs in the bathroom. And the one that's in the bathroom, which is a long focus picture, I'm going to DIY that. That might be the next video. We'll just, and it's a very simple DIY. I don't want anything extra. And you'll see when I get to that DIY. We may do that next. And I'm going to put that over the couch and put the other one upstairs over the bathtub. I think it'll be a little bit more cozy and aesthetically pleasing for when that cabinetry upstairs change. And I'm going to be putting, let me show you, same hardware, but it's already gold. And that's what we have for upstairs. So I just have this hardware here, which is really the same as the hardware that's on the kitchen cabinetry, except this came gold. I ordered this from Amazon, and that's what we're gonna put on the countertops. I mean the countertops, the cabinetry. I'm tired. The cabinetry upstairs when he paints that the color. So I think that picture will look good in there. That's all. I'm I'm winded, I'm out of breath, and I'm tired. I am entertained out. I have had my hostess share, okay? I don't think I'm gonna be hosting anything for New Year's. In fact, I'm hoping Ron doesn't even want to do anything New Year's. Like, literally, I just want to stay home and relax. Like, I'm hosted out until next year sometime. Not even interested, like I thought I would be, in going out looking for after Christmas sales. Have no interest. All I want to do, y'all, like seriously, is just sit down. Sit down, lay down, feet up, straight relaxation mode, and that's it, that's all. I'm over it. I'm so over it. It's been fun. I enjoyed it, but I'm done. Let me show y'all this too. Look at this. Let me just turn you around. Girl, look at my snack. Look at my snack station. Now, who you know got a snack station in their office? Who you know got a 3-tier snack station? God dog it, in their office besides me, honey. Okay, besides her, just her. And then my little bar area right here. That's it, y'all. I love you. I love you. I'm finna go enjoy being driven. Miss Daisy, seeing my mom. I'm going to go see some other people. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, honey. We're gonna DIY that little picture, do a little switcheroo, and after that, we're gonna just be coffee and chatting, and that's it, that's all, honey, okay? I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.